We have evolved from machine engineering and product development to creating infrastructure and whole ecosystems. From the focus on end-of-line packaging to the entire orchestration of end-of-line processes. We evolved from the bottleneck of production streams and a cost factor to the gatekeeper of entire industries and a value hub for our customers. As we have evolved, as individuals and together as a company, so has our responsibility. What began as a growth path has evolved into something far greater. Synergies that go beyond efficiency. Emergence instead of fragmented effort. A foundation for long-term stability and meaningful impact. A group built on curiosity and pioneering spirit, where our potentials and forces connect, something greater emerges. As our capabilities interconnect, network effects kick in and value compounds. What we refer to as supply chains is more than just logistics. They are the lifelines of our world. They are lifelines for over 8 billion people in fragmented times. We believe in intelligent lifelines that connect people, resources, and responsibility. We transform supply chains into intelligent lifelines. We work every day to uphold absolute reliability. Every broken flow means wasted resources, money, and time. Trust means keeping flows moving reliably every time. We help building systems that regenerate themselves for people today and those after us. We operate on anticipation, reconfiguring fast and learning in short loops. Our organization is built to adapt, fluid and resilient. Our systems adapt in real time, keeping flows in motion. We engineer lifelines with automation, data, and AI technology in the service of life.
Humanity gives purpose to it all.
We are at home around the world in 31 locations in 19 countries. We live on diversity, united by our curiosity mindset.
Gemeinsam gestalten wir eine Zukunft, in der wir gerne leben und arbeiten.
Together we build a future worth living and working in.
Mi egy olyan jövőt építünk a Mosca csoportnál, amelyben érdemes élni és dolgozni.
Gemeinsam gestalten wir eine Zukunft, in der wir gerne leben und arbeiten.
Wir sind die GroupMosca.